Come, let me show you how. These are the peppers I got yesterday. You can see they're almost red. And these ones are the ones I had earlier on. Let me show you. It's about 1 week now. I'm putting them in. And let's see. Wow. As you can see, most of this pepper are almost red. The banana, that is a trick. The ripening agent, I put 2-3 in between the unripe peppers, cover them up, and before you know it, they are already ripe. But there's a clause. Make sure you harvest your pepper at maturity. I'm going to talk about that later on. You can see all type of pepper. This is shepherd, the red one, the yellow. I have the hot pepper. I have the bell pepper. I have different type of pepper, even some tomatoes, the same process, and they are going to ripen inside. That is very easy. Try it and you will thank me later. This are ghost pepper. I have shepherd. I have cayenne. I have just all type of pepper. For the main thing, you can see all my bananas. Those are the ripening agent I use. If you don't have banana, you can use an apple. They emit the same material that helps these peppers to ripen faster. So let me show you the maturity stage now. When you see your pepper start changing color, that is the right time you pick them in. If you take them in when they are green or the color has not started changing, that will not help your pepper to ripen fast. You can see some in here that is drying out. You can see the skin is so dry. That is because they were picked when they were not matured properly. So I would advise take them when the color start changing, then you have this perfect ripening colors and fresh pepper. That is very, very key when you want to ripen your peppers inside. Most people complain, oh, my pepper is dried out. That is because they didn't pick at the right time. So I'm going to take all this away now. This is you can see them, the very ripe ones. I'm going to store this, and there are so many ways you can store your peppers. You can put them straight in the freezer, you can blend it, you can cut them into smaller pieces, put in a ziploc. You can store some in the fridge. They'll stay this way at least for another 3 to 4 weeks if you just want to put them in the fridge for easy use. And this is what I have. These are the very ripe ones. You can see my tomatoes. You can see the hot pepper in the small basket, different varieties. And what is left here are not very ripe yet, so I'm still going to leave that, and I'm going to add the fresh ones inside. Remember to add your bananas as you do that. So the fresh one goes in about a week. You can be checking on them maybe every 3 days. Check on them. You can pick out the ripe ones, put them aside. But this way, I'm just going to leave it for a week because I know the stage they have. By next week, I'm sure I will have them done ready for it. So cover it properly, and I just leave them in one place. I leave them right there in the kitchen, and very easy for me to access, to check on them. And also the kitchen is warm enough. It's not like it's warm enough, like the temperature is good for them to ripen, or you can just put them in one place. And here are other tomatoes which I also covered at the same time with the pepper. As you can see, everything here has turned red. It depends on the stage. You take them in when they are very green. Just give them time. You can put banana. You can see there's no banana in this because they were almost turning red before I brought them inside. The same thing, the same process, and it just takes some time. You have your peppers, tomatoes, everything will turn red. That is it. Remember the key things. You need your ripening agent, banana. You need apples that will help them ripen faster. Thank you for watching. Bye. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button for more videos. God bless you.